In an exciting development for the electric vehicle market, Zeekr has unveiled its latest model, the Zeekr Mix. This new addition promises to redefine urban mobility with its striking design and practical features. Scheduled for a global debut at the upcoming Guangzhou Auto Show, the Zeekr Mix stands out with its futuristic aesthetic, integrating both style and functionality. The Zeekr Mix captures attention with its bold, sleek exterior. With smooth lines and a modern silhouette, it embodies the brand's commitment to innovation. The front fascia features a dynamic light signature that enhances its futuristic appeal. The vehicle's low stance and sculpted body not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved aerodynamics, a key factor in electric vehicle performance. One of the standout features of the Zeekr Mix is its dual sliding doors, a design choice that enhances accessibility and convenience. These doors allow for easy entry and exit, particularly in tight urban settings where traditional doors can be cumbersome. This innovative design caters to families and urban dwellers alike, making it easier to load and unload passengers or cargo. The sliding mechanism also adds a touch of modernity, setting the Zeekr Mix apart from its competitors. Inside, the Zeekr Mix boasts a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. The interior prioritizes comfort and technology, featuring premium materials and a minimalist layout. A large infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, providing seamless connectivity and control over the vehicle's numerous features. Advanced driver assistance systems and smart technology are integrated throughout, ensuring a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Under the hood, the Zeekr Mix is expected to deliver impressive performance. While specific details regarding the powertrain are still under wraps, Zeekr's commitment to electric mobility suggests that the Mix will offer a range of efficient electric motor options. With a focus on sustainability, the vehicle is likely to incorporate advanced battery technology, promising a competitive range that meets the demands of modern drivers. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification, the Zeekr Mix positions itself as a forward-thinking option for consumers looking for an eco-friendly yet stylish vehicle. The emphasis on futuristic design elements, combined with practical features, makes it an attractive choice for a new generation of car buyers. In addition to its impressive design and performance features, the Zeekr Mix is also expected to come equipped with a range of connectivity options. These features will likely include smartphone integration, real-time navigation, and over-the-air updates, ensuring that the vehicle remains at the forefront of technology. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, Zeekr aims to create a holistic driving experience that connects users with their vehicles in new and exciting ways. Moreover, the Zeekr Mix will cater to diverse customer needs with various trim levels and customization options. This flexibility allows buyers to choose configurations that best fit their lifestyle, whether they prioritize range, performance, or luxury. The Mix is designed to appeal to a broad audience, making it a versatile addition to Zeekr's growing lineup. The anticipation surrounding the Zeekr Mix reflects the broader trends in the automotive market, where consumers are increasingly seeking vehicles that blend advanced technology with sustainability. As urban areas continue to expand, the demand for innovative solutions to mobility challenges is more critical than ever. The Mix's unique features, such as its dual sliding doors and cutting-edge design, are set to meet these evolving needs. With its official debut on the horizon, the Zeekr Mix is poised to make a significant impact in the automotive landscape. By marrying futuristic design with practical features, Zeekr is not just introducing a new vehicle, it's redefining the concept of urban mobility. As we await further details and the vehicle's launch, it's clear that the Zeekr Mix represents a bold step forward in the electric vehicle revolution, promising to capture the hearts and minds of consumers looking for something truly unique in their driving experience.